Take a ride in the 2021 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, leather upholstery. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.